So to discuss about the nucleoplasm. So first of all, the position of nucleoplasm. You have to see in the picture. In this picture, we have seen the outer layer. It is the endoplasmic reticulum. On that endoplasmic reticulum, there is the some red dots. These dots are nothing but the ribosomes. Then there is the nuclear membrane. On the nuclear membrane, some discontinuous at some spaces. That is the nuclear core. At the center, dark brown spot. This is the nucleolus, and around that nucleolus there is the coil-like structure. This is the chromatin network, and here some in pinkish color there is the nucleo. So this nucleoplasm covers the nucleus, and it is somewhat solid jelly-like fluid structure. So more nucleoplasms are the centers of the nucleus, and these are and साइटोप्लाज्म साइटोप्लाज्म हमने देखा है जो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन के आउटसाइड में रहता है सेल इज फुल ऑफ द साइटो and at the in the nucleus there is the nucleoplasm. So this nucleoplasm it is darker as compared to the cytoplasm. This nucleoplasm is differentiated by means of the nuclear envelope. So nuclear envelope हमने देखा जो outer layer है nucleus की. So at the outer side is the cytoplasm and at the inner side there is the cytoplasm. It is the limiting boundary of this cytoplasm. Then the structure of this nucleoplasm semi-solid and jelly-like fluid. Then it contains the genetic material and nucleolus. So nucleolus it is the darker point and also there is the genetic material. Then in some forms here and homogeneous structure. So this is about the structure in the semi-solid structure and jelly-like fluid. And this whole nucleoplasm contains the genetic material and nucleolus. Then third one is about the chemical compositions. So the chemical compositions of these it is not definite. Continuously exchange of the material from nucleoplasm to the cytoplasm. Therefore, this position of this nucleoplasm it is not definite. It always changeable. The second one is the ultracentrifugation studies. Ultracentrifugation studies reveal that the proteinaceous natures of the nucleoplasm, and also there is the RNA contents are the RNA molecules are also found in this nucleoplasm and a considerable amount. That means if ultrafugation studies will be carried out in the part of the nucleoplasm, nucleoplasm contains some proteinaceous substances and some RNAs. So there is the amount of RNA and are contained in this nucleoplasm. Then there is some hydrolytic enzymes are also present in this nucleoplasm, like the ribonuclease, alkylase, then dipeptide are also exist nucleoplasm. But there is a compositions are there because they changeable. Then next one is the function nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm, it is a site of metabolism. Various out in this nucleoplasmic. So also this nucleoplasm is the site of mitosis and meiosis. So as you know, the cell division in the cell division, mostly the cell division will be takes place in the nucleus. So nucleus in the nucleus there is the karyokinesis will be takes place. So during cell division, the karyokinesis and the chromosomes will divide during this karyokinesis forms, or it may be sometimes or meiosis. That is, mod equal divisions will be takes place or reduction divisional will be takes place. So this nucleoplasm provides the site for the mitosis as well as meiosis. The genetic reticulum the forms the chromosomes and the chromosome divides it takes place in the न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. आपने माइटोसिस और मियोसिस स्टडी किया है कि जो भी न्यूक्लियस है न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो भी जेनेटिक मटेरियल है जेनेटिक मटेरियल डबल हो के बाद वहां पे डिवीजन सिंगल न्यूक्लियस से पे फॉर्म हो जाता है. प्रोसेस है वो कहाँ पे होती है इन द then the stands for genetic material. So the nucleoplasm also provides the stands for the genetic material as you already discussed in case of the mitosis and meiosis. There is a change or there is a doubling the number of chromosomes or genetic material. Then it is also a stands for nucleolus. That means the nucleolus it is कैरियोकाइनेस हो रहा है न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड हो रहा है तो उसका मतलब है वहां पे जो न्यूक्लियोलस होगा न्यूक्लियोलस का भी वहां पे डिवीजन हो जाएगा. देन दिस nucleoplasm it is also the site of DNA synthesis. That means at the time of cell division the nucleus will be divide एंड न्यूक्लियर जो भी जेनेटिक मटेरियल है जेनेटिक मटेरियल क्या होता है डबल हो जाता है. दैट मीन्स 2n का 4n हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स 2x का 4x वहां पे हो जाएगा. जो भी जेनेटिक मटेरियल है उसका डिवाइडेशन होके वहां पे जो सिंगल सेल से डबल सेल्स वहां पे फॉर्म हो जाते हैं. मतलब जो भी जेनेटिक मटेरियल मतलब डीएनए जो भी डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल से वो वहां पे उनका सिंथेसिस होके सिंगल डीएनए से डबल डीएनए वहां पे फॉर्म हो जाता है. देन नेक्स्ट फंक्शन इज द साइट ऑफ आरएनए सिंथेसिस और protein synthesis or ribosome formation. So in case of the to support the nucleolus these undergoes the functions of the proteins RNA synthesis. Thus they can indirectly the nucleoplasm they do the functions of the RNA. जो न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म है इट डू द इनडायरेक्टली डू द फंक्शंस ऑफ द आरएनए. जो आरएनए मॉलिक्यूल का फंक्शन है वही न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म यहाँ पे प्ले करता है. सो दीज आर द मेन इम्पोर्टेंट plasm in that it provides the metabolism or nuclear metabolism reactions mostly takes place in the nucleoplasm. Then they also provided the site for mitosis and meiosis. They can helpful in the or they can provides the stands for genetic material, then nucleolus, and DNA synthesis, as well as in RNA synthesis. So this is all regarding the nucleoplasm. Then next, chromatin network. But I want to show one video. In that, you have to click these parts of the nucleus and how we actually working. You have to see. So I will this video. So this is some part of the nucleus and nuclear envelope और जो भी पार्ट्स हैं न्यूक्लियस के वो यहाँ पे एज ए 3D विजुअलाइज वीडियो बनाया है. Like these are the lastly the summarized point about the nucleus. So in this video there is with nucleus the different parts of the, for example, nuclear membrane, nuclear envelope, then chromatin material, nucleolus, all these parts will be explained very nicely. Well, you also see this video, very nice video about the nucleus. That's why I included here in this lecture. The remaining part of the nucleus, that is about the chromatin network, hmm, they have discussed in tomorrow's lecture. They are also included in this video. So with this video, I hope you have little bit understand about this nucleus. Hmm. So here today the nucleoplasm part will be finished and remaining the chromatin network part we will discuss in tomorrow's video, tomorrow's lecture.